So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Microsoft Planner group. So the first thing you want to do, once you're logged into your Microsoft Planner account, you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, and portfolios. Now from here, if you want to delete a group, you will need to go to a plan. So from here, let's go to this plan that says plan for a group, open that, and you can just click on this, which will open up your plan details. Now from here, you can see general, so you can check out some backgrounds that you can use to make it a bit more interesting and vibrant, and you can delete it on here. The same goes for your group. So if you go to a group, so the group name is the same as this plan, group description, again, same. You can make it private or public, so anyone in the organization can see, or only members that are added to the group can see all this. So groups are generally created for plans through this share option. So you can see a plan for a group and you can remove that group if you don't find it necessary anymore, or if everything about this plan is done, or you just want to focus on a more individual route for this plan. You can just click on this. And after that, you can see delete plan and Microsoft 365 group. You're about to delete this plan, tasks, and its related Microsoft 360. I understand that all plan and group content will be deleted. So everything that's being done, it's going to be removed. And from there, you can see the group has been removed. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.